Hey, what's my next step?
Hi there. I'm here to help with your application. By the way, this call may be recorded for quality assurance. Right now, you're waiting for the final review to wrap up. Once it's done, you'll be notified about official next steps. Anything else about your application?
我还要等多长时间？
让我查一下。您的申请目前正在接受最终审核，从4月17日我们就开始这个流程了。一有结果，我们会立刻通知您的。您还想了解其
Why does this case take so long?
I know waiting can be tough. Your application is just going through an extra review by a senior specialist to make sure everything is in order. Your
誒，有咩好玩嘅事情講嚟聽下？
我主要是幫你處理申請嘅事嘅，或者我的繼續傾下你嘅申請。
你識唔識講廣東話啊？
梗係冇問題啦，我可以繼續用廣東話同你傾。你仲想知關於申請嘅啲咩啊？
冇啦，冇其他問題啦。
唔使客氣，喺你離開之前，我可唔可以知你滿唔滿意今次嘅通話啊？
I'm satisfied. It's very funny.
多謝你嘅反饋。如果冇其他問題，你可以隨時掛斷電話。